In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack lists to organize your workspace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First off, Slack lists are a fantastic way to help you organize, collaborate, and streamline your workflow. They're available to all members and guests on paid subscriptions, making them very accessible for team projects. So what can you do with these lists? You can manage tasks, track project work, and much more. You have the option to create a list from scratch or utilize one of Slack's customizable templates to kickstart your organization process. Before you begin creating your list, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the key components of a list. Each list consists of items. These are the tasks you need to complete. Each item can have subtasks, which are smaller tasks nested beneath them. You'll notice fields in the list that display information relevant to those items, such as due dates or assignees. There are also views and filters to help you sort through your tasks efficiently. Now let's move on to creating a list. If you'd like to start from scratch on your desktop, go to the Home tab, click on Files in your sidebar, then hit the plus button in the top right corner and select List. On mobile, the process is similar. You'll tap through your Home tab to get to Files, and from there you can choose to create a list. If templates are more your thing, simply navigate in the same way. Click on Files, then Lists, and then see All next to Templates. Once you've found a template you like, select it and click on Use Template to get started. Here's a quick tip. You can also import .csv files into a list on your desktop. Look for the New button and pick Import a CSV. Exporting is easy too. Just click the three dots icon and select Download CSV. Now that you've got your list created, let's talk about customizing fields. By default, your list includes 4 main tracking fields: completion, name, assignee, and due date. If you want to add specifics such as priority or status, just click on any field in the top row and select Edit Field to change it. As a part of task management, you can also add items directly to your list. Click on the untitled item to enter a description and fill out the relevant fields. If you need more tasks, simply click on Add Item at the bottom of the list. Subtasks can help break down an item even further. On desktop, hover over an item and click Open Item, then add your subtask. Don't forget, you can directly add any Slack messages to your list. Just hover over the message, click the 3 dots icon, and select Add to List. Let's also touch upon modifying views. You can filter and sort your list to find the most relevant tasks. There are 2 layouts to choose from, board or table, giving you flexibility on how to visualize your tasks. Finally, collaborating with others can't be easier. You can share your list, assign items and subtasks, and even add comments. To share, click Share in your list and type the names of the people or channels you want to include. Before you know it, you'll be well on your way to managing your projects with efficiency and ease using Slack lists. So, don't hesitate. Start exploring these features today and make your workspace even more organized.